welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie and today we're going to do a high school makeup revamp. Now, I did do one of these videos with one of my friends and we did a high school makeup look recreation. I'll put a picture in right here. It looked bad. So basically what I'm gonna do today, this is a collaboration with the Makeup Mafia, by the way. So they're gonna be doing their high school revamp. That everybody's own interpretation of what it is. So I'm not sure exactly what they're gonna do or say, but what I'm gonna do is make it look a lot better than that, because that looks bad. But I'll try to link that in the iCards, if I even know how to do that anymore. I really don't do that. I've done that like once or twice, but I'll try to link it in the iCards. But let's just get started. So in the old days, I would wear a lot of blue, a lot of really vibrant colors, but I didn't know how to use them, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't have primer on. I do have primer on now, so I have my foundation, powder, eyebrows, which I didn't wear eyebrows back then, but we're gonna do eyebrows because if we're gonna revamp it, we're gonna wear eyebrows. This one looks a little janky. Let me fix it. Yeah, so we didn't wear eyebrows back then. We didn't know they existed, okay? And if you watched my other video, I said that too. We didn't know they existed, girl. We didn't know. We didn't know. So today I'm going to use the Orgy palette by Jeffree Star. If you guys don't like Jeffree Star, I'm sorry. It is what it is. We'll just move on with our lives. Okay, because we're adults, right? Aren't we? Okay, so I'm going to go in with... Oh, let me explain a little bit. Instead of blue, I'm going to do brown. Because I always used to make fun of my mom. Like, oh, you wear browns. Like, why do you want to wear that caca brown? Now it's like, and my mom's like, it's neutral. Like, a neutral is good for everybody. And I'm like, ew. So I'm going to do brown. Because I made fun of her. And I kind of did at the point in time. I'm going to use bed or floor right here. At the time, I made fun of her. So me and one of my friends did a brown look, and then we started liking it. So I did wear brown looks. So I'm just going to go in with bed or floor and put it in the crease area and above, since I have all that real estate to do. I'm just gonna really build up that crease. Yeah, so the Makeup Mafia is doing this also. Everybody's kind of having a hard time in life, so we'll see who all does it. I can't really tell you who all's doing it, but you know, they're always going to be linked below, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to do bed or floor all over my lid, like so. And then, I'm trying to think here what else I should do. I'm going to go in Orgy right here. And I'm just going to put it on the outer of my eye. I love neutral looks. Sorry if you can hear shadow in the background. Kind of putting it in the crease a little bit and on the outer corner. And bringing it outwards, out and up. Just like that. Looks cute already. Let's see. I'm gonna go back in with the better floor color, the kind of a light brown. Kind of just blend that all out. And I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna go in with, let me see, silk robe. It's kind of like a really, really light. And I'm gonna go right up here to make sure it's all blended in. Try to make sure that it don't look splotchy, but like I said before, it's basically my skin. I don't know. I think my skin is that way, or I'm not using a good enough primer. I basically use concealer. I do have primers. I don't know why I don't use them. I'm dumb. Whatever. Let me put that in the socket of my eye. That's Orgy again. So far so good. I'm gonna take a kind of a flat brush and I'm gonna go underneath my eye with Better Floor once again. And I might have to do that other. And I'm gonna go in with Orgy once more on the bottom. Right on the bottom. So hook it in with the rest. Kind of making it kind of connect right there at the outer V of the eye. Kind of a little smoky eye, if you will. And I'm going to shut that palette. And I'm gonna take a mini Orgy by Jeffree Star. And I'm going to let me figure out which one I want to do. That one's not that great. We're getting an if anyone got these, they're sending you another one because they said the batches weren't mixed very well, which I can kind of see in like Frozen Fire. Like really nothing. It kind of looks like on screen that it really nothing comes off on it though. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna use here. Yeah, some of them aren't the greatest. They're not horrible. I'm not gonna say they're horrible, but I wouldn't say they're quality of what I would expect. I'm gonna go in with Bathhouse, which is this one. It's kind of like a gray brown sitch, and put that on with my finger. I've been like not wearing nails lately because they've just annoyed me. I'm over it for a minute or forever, who knows. I'm just gonna tap, 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 tap on my eye. So that looks pretty cute. But I'm gonna go back over it and kind of, I'm doing some color switching with my brushes. I'm gonna go back into the bigger palette real quick. And I'm gonna go into Better Floor once again. I'm gonna try to make that more like, I don't know if you call that vibrant maybe. Okay. There's both eyes done. Basically. So now we will put on eyeliner. Eyeliner back then, what I would use is just like a regular eyeliner, and I would put it like underneath and like on top, like really sloppily. We ain't gonna do that though. I'm just gonna take this little Sephora pencil that I always use. It's good for a waterline. I'm gonna put it inside waterline. I don't think we did that. We may have, but I'm gonna put that on the inside of the waterline. Kind of connected out there. Do we need, yeah, we need eyeliner. Some wings, don't we? We need wings. I never knew how to do wings until I was like in my 30s, so. so that's my wings. And then I'm gonna take the infamous Lash Freak by Urban Decay and just give it a coat. I don't think I want to put lashes on. I should, but I honestly don't love lashes, but one of these days I might. Who knows? So, yeah. If you watch my high school look recreation, it's a lot funnier than this video. But, you know, we gotta revamp this thing. We gotta tell our old selves, girl, don't do that. Why you doing that? I got my Beetlejuice sweater on. Say it once, say it twice, third time's a charm. Okay, we did not do bronzer, but we're gonna do bronzer. And what I do with my bronzer is I'm gonna take, I hate this freaking packaging. Shady Biz by Fenty Beauty, I use it all the time. What we used to do is we used to kind of contour with blush. But let's just do some bronzer. Let me get a bigger brush here. And just kind of put it in the spots that we need bronzing so we don't look like ghosts. We did use blush. I'll kind of use the blush the way we used it back then. I'm going to take Always Punchy by e.l.f. I've been using the same makeup for a while. I should probably put this away and get some new stuff out. But we used to go right up here, which I ain't mad at. Like, I can appreciate a moment like that. I really can. 80s and 90s, y'all know what we did. We did that. That is what we did. And let's see here. We didn't wear highlighter, but I'm gonna put highlighter on, my favorite highlighter. If I could go back in time, this is what I would do, you know? And send me to school, not looking like a hot mess and a freaking nightmare. Maybe that's why I got made fun of. I look like really not cute. Okay, so the lip combination that I've been loving, I would normally wear red, and I don't know why. No lip liner or anything. But I'm gonna use Shoop by Milani. I really love this, so hopefully I can find something to replace it when it's gone. So this is the final look. If I could go back in time and tell myself, you are doing it all wrong, you do not know what you're doing, step away from the makeup, I totally would. I'm not saying that I'm like the best makeup artist in the world. No, I'm not. But I look cute, girl. I do what I do and I like it. But anyways, if you like this recreation, or basically telling myself, you look bad, you need to fix it, give me a thumbs up down below. Also go down below in the description box, follow all the ladies in the Makeup Mafia, they will be down there. Check in on them. If they're not doing this collab, we have other collabs and they have other videos that are wonderful to watch, so go down there, follow them. Make sure you follow all my social medias, and that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.